Want to build the next big real estate app and disrupt the market like Trulia? Let's break down how to create your own property powerhouse in just a minute and a half. First, nail down your core features. Think beyond just listings. You'll need advanced property search with detailed filters like price, location, property type, and number of beds and baths. Consider adding neighborhood insights like school ratings and crime statistics. Next, map integration is crucial. Integrate a robust mapping solution like Google Maps or Mapbox. Enable users to explore properties geographically, draw custom search areas, and view nearby amenities. Don't forget about Street View. Data is king. You'll need to aggregate data from multiple sources: MLS listings, public records, and even third-party providers. Invest in a reliable data pipeline to ensure accuracy and freshness. Real-time updates are a must. User interface and experience. UX, UI is everything. Design a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate on mobile. Focus on high-quality property photos, virtual tour, and interactive elements. A seamless experience keeps users engaged. Push notifications. Implement push notifications to alert users of new listings, price drops, and saved search updates. Personalization is key. Let users customize their notification preferences. Finally, think about monetization. Explore options like advertising, premium features for agents, or lead generation. Analyze your target audience and choose a strategy that aligns with their needs and your business goals. Now get building.